It is you and your parents and their parents, and you could, if paper was big enough, I can just keep going on and on. Do you know that I've traced my family tree back to the 1300s in Europe? I think that's pretty neat. That's called genealogy. When you trace your family line for a long, long time and see not just your mother and your daddy, but your ancestors, people that were dead a long, long time before you were born, hundreds of years even. That's kind of fun. Family trees are kind of fun. Okay, there we go. Now, there we go. So there is your tree and your branches of your tree and going back to your grandparents. Now I'm not going to do this right now, but I could just keep going. Now this time I will go with a different color. I could have, because each one of these people has parents too. So the branches just keep on branching. There's that one, and there's that one. Now this is good to know for this exercise and for understanding that your family and that's part of God's planning. That's what we're talking about in during Advent, is God planning for God and God's planning for us. But this is also a way to help you know how to draw a tree, just for an art example. And the limbs keep getting smaller and smaller, and they can keep going farther and farther back. You don't have to cut, you can tear. And then guess what? That can even go farther. They just keep making wise, and they keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, till like this. Each one has more branches. Each one has whys of its own. And that's how you draw a tree, and that's how your family works.